This is a high toning in the upper 20s, hitting a 30. Saying it's about 3 bars down. Sounds like a quarter, but it's very jumpy. But I haven't dug much holes in this yard, so I don't exactly have a idea of how the ground's working. I don't know if this is old or not. It's a wheat scent. We do have a weedy. A 1952, I believe. But I think there's more in that hole. I was hearing something. We have a target over here. This one here. This one here's in the 20s. 3 bars down. Sounds like a penny again. Might be another weedy. Let's see. There it is. It is another weedy. $19.42. Waked up pretty nice. Let me rescan the hole. Nothing here, so far 2 weedies. This one here was really going in the 30s, but might be a lot of noise. It's windy today, cold. I've got Mikey working with me. I don't know where he is. We got 2 houses to do side by side. The one house was built on this property when it was sold off and divided back in the day. So we got a lot of holes to dig. It's mid-January, so it's cold and extremely windy. I'm telling you, it's windy out. I hope this isn't going to affect the camera. I got the camera facing so that it's not trick or taking full wind. This is coming up a 30, like a quarter. I think I just seen it. Maybe not. Here we go. Ooh, yeah, here we go. Wow, I don't think I found this one before. Yes, yes. That's what I'm talking about right here. Heck yeah. Oh yeah, that's a Tootsie. I nicked it a little bit, took a chunk out of it, but that's a beautiful car. Yeah, that's what it's about right there. That's a sweet car. Nice. This is coming up somewhere in the mid 20s. It's very choppy, so it sounds kind of like garbage. But I just got to know what it is. Ooh, I see an imprint right there. Look like a coin. Yeah. So that would be under my shovel, I think. Where did it drop to? Is it on here? Maybe a spill. What do we get? It's a penny. And it's another weedy. That makes number 3. I forgot I found this makes number 3. 1942. That makes 2 of those. Let's see if there's any friends. Oh. Yeah, it could be a nail. Let me scan it. If I don't hear it, I ain't digging it. So it helps if I turn the metal detector on.
Check off some part.
Alright, I'll put that on the camera. Some plumbing and door hardware. I described what. Keep it out, up the end. No more. This is what Mikey found so far.
Broken chain.
Some chain. What's this?
I don't know, it's copper.
I don't know what that is. I've seen these before.
That was with this.
Oh, that's probably the light, right?
Yeah.
Alright, he found a little bit of something. But we only started, so we got a lot more to do. This is a unsteady mid upper tone or high tone in the upper 20s. Like straight down, whatever it is. A lot of nails in his front yard. Ooh. Ah. Nut of some sort. Oh wait. It's got a window in it, I think. No clue what that is. Quarter? Yeah. Here's Mikey. There's a house that we did a few weeks ago. We only found one thing in the yard. Someone else metal detected, but we're across the street now. Anyhow, I dug this up because it said it was like on the surface, and I was ringing up with my pinpointer, just poking it on the ground. Old clock part. That's pretty cool. It's been down on it for a bit. We'll keep going. This one's coming up in the 30s. Seems to be semi-big. It might be another toy. We're almost done with this property, and we aren't going to be doing the back. We're just going to be doing the front and off to the next spot. It's right there, whatever it is. I think it is anyhow. Oh, is this it? Ah. What do we get here? Maybe something for our... I don't have the foggiest what this thing could be. No idea. I got a little bit more to do, and we'll see if I can find anything before we leave. We end up getting it's a wheat penny, a 1944. That's not too bad. This is a early 1900 house that we're at now. This is a high toning, somewhere in the mid 20s. It's about 3 bars down. A lot of ants in this one. Seems to be another penny. It must be the new, it's going to be the theme of today. This one's ringing up 25, 27, 3 bars down. Something right there. No, right here. Hey, look at that. Part of an old cap gun. That's pretty cool. Too bad the whole thing wasn't down there. This is an off the Richter scale high toning. It's going all the way to a 40. Seems to be semi-large. guessing a big old tin can, but some plastic came out of it. It's right there, whatever it is. Here we go. It's a machine gun. Look at this. Look at this. It says Super Mechanic. I don't know. I don't know what that is. Hey, Mikey, look at this. I have no idea. Looks like an old machine gun or something, don't it? Here, I'm gonna see if there's any more down there.
Ooh. Automatic. Super automatic. This is one of the best cap guns I think you found.
Here's all the.
An actual gun?
This is a toy.
Oh, it's a toy gun.
Yeah.
Okay.
Check it out.
I'm like, I don't want no friggin' police here.
I don't want them here either.
No, if I found a real gun, I ain't calling the police. I'm keeping it.
Super pneumatic.
I find all sorts of parts in here.
This is really interesting.
Yeah, I mean, I wish I knew what the whole thing looked like.
That's awesome, man.
Let's see.
That's awesome.
Never thought we'd find something like that in our yard.
You know, believe it or not, we find one of these every time we go out.
Really?
Yeah.
Actually, I just found part of a cap gun over here. It was the barrel part, or not the barrel. The what do they call that? Where they hold the bullets? It'd be like a pea shooter.
The
Right here.
Oh, that must have been.
No, that's different. That's more modern. This is old-fashioned. This would have been like the 50s. That would have been what? Maybe 60s, I'm thinking?
got a brand name on it and everything.
Yeah, oh, left in there is slivers. Okay, that was pretty cool. Some excitement. I like that.
Yeah, I'm digging up a dime over there.
A dime?
Yeah, I'm bringing up 25.
Huh.
Hopefully it's silver.
Here's what it looks like. And we'll get back with Mikey's dime. Hopefully it's silver. I'll leave it rolling for a minute. I just got this. Was a kind of a surface find, but another relic of a cap gun, an older one. This one would pop the cap or the paper caps. Show you right here. This one I just found. And then way over there was the automatic one, and closer to the porch was the cover. And this is the house here. You see back over there, there's a graveyard. Their property goes right back to the graveyard, so I'll be detecting pretty close to the headstones. I won't be creeping on the graveyard, but back, got a harmonica reed. Is that a button?
Plastic button.
Same hole?
Same hole.
What was it, like fire pit area? Look kind of.
Oh, this is in the middle of the backyard.
Huh. Interesting.
I was pumped when I found the reed though.
Yeah, that's nice. This is a 36 going to a 38, 3 bars down on the side of the driveway. Ooh. And the ground is hard here.
I think you got a good jump.
Yeah.
It's like clay.
Yeah, some hardness right there. Non-dead battery. I'm telling you, I can't wait to get rid of this GoPro. It's garbage. Absolute horrible. Let's see what we got here. It's almost like on the side. As if it's the same target that I'm chasing. Ooh. I'm gonna rescan the hole. Yeah, turn the machine off because it chatters so much. Down here somewhere. I think it is right there. Ooh, pocket watch, baby.
Nice,
Silver.
dude.
Silver pocket watch. Oh, shit. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, that beautiful. Yeah.
That shine.
It has to be the best one I've ever found. Man. I did find a cover to one. See where a root was going through it. I don't want to wrench it too much. I'm going to wait until I get home to clean that up.
Great, that's nice, dude.
Yeah, it is beautiful. Sweet. Alright, I just dug this hole up. I found something real thin. I think it might be a token, but let's find out together. Ooh, it is. Might be a play money or something like that. Yes, it's play money. Got a big old star in the middle. Pretty cool. It's all gummed up. Sweet. Well, some play money. Let's go find some real money now.
Yeah, well, you already found real.
I didn't do this one live because it rang up at 23, but the ground's real hot. It's got a lot of nails and ash. But I just pulled up another weedy. I don't know what that makes for the day, but I'm getting close to a record, I'm pretty sure. 1940, look like one. Yeah, 1941. I don't know if there's a mint mark. Whoops. I don't know if there's a mint mark or nothing, but 1941. This one sounds promising. It's 26, 27, 3 bars down. This ground is real soft. I mean, real soft. I could probably dig this with my hand. It's right there. More than it's like. Oh, there we go. Oh, compact. There's an oldie. I like that. That's pretty cool. Still got a little hinge on her. I can't wait to open it up. Feels like there's something in there. You'll have to wait for the wrap up on this one.
This is all the dirt from the bottom of it.
Mikey just found something interesting. What'd we get there?
Somebody's dog, dude.
Someone's dog.
Definitely what that is.
Oh, it is a picture of a dog. Huh. It's got like a pin in the back.
Yeah, it was an old picture, dude.
Yeah.
Pretty deep.
Well, it only makes sense. We're next to a graveyard. Not quite in it yet, but we're inching our way there.
Nah, we're not going in there.
Sure, Mike?
Yeah, I'm sure. I want to keep my stuff.
This is the wrap up to the video. Ended up getting $1.73 in coins. For weed pennies, I ended up getting a 1941, 42, 42, 44, and 46. Brass dog leash. I'm not sure what this is. Maybe some kind of valve. Nut thing. Weird. I don't know. Find out what this was. This is some kind of lock. It's not very old. It's got stainless in the middle. It'll go in a junk pile. Same with some of the cap gun parts that I end up finding. Got these two here. 2 different separate guns. This is a Benz, a Tootsie car. A very early one. It's very nice. Very cool looking car. I'm proud to have that. Ended up getting a, which is very nice, Princess Patent Compact. Clock part. This is a super pneumatic. I believe it's like a cap gun of some sort. I believe it did shoot stuff out. No clue what it exactly was. Kind of neat. It rang up very big, as you've seen. And it'll look cool in the display case for sure. End up getting a play token, a 50-cent play token. And the prize of the day is definitely the silver pocket watch. It is solid silver. It's before they wrote 925 or sterling on there. It's earlier than that. It's like from the 1800s. And it has a lot of different European type stamps in it. So it is a beautiful piece, let me tell you. A lot of decorative, a lot of flowers on there. It was a lady's pocket watch. She probably came out of a carriage, a stagecoach, probably to visit somebody at the graveyard, and probably dropped it. Beautiful, beautiful piece. There's nothing left inside. All the gearing, it has dissolved. It would have been made out of steel, and the remnants was inside of it, but I cleaned it all out, and I was able to see the stamp. But it's very heavy, very well made. That is a nice piece. Very lucky find. So anyhow, if you like this video, I have one every week, and hope to see you next week. Thanks. Bye.